Hi everybody, today I'm making color mixing secondary color wheel project. This is a preschool and play group activity and a project. So I wanted to record this whole project. So I'm using this white cardboard and this color mixing cute palette, some brushes, and these are the poster colors I'm using. And I'm using this round chipboard. You can take any cardboard, and I'll mark the size of the circle, and later on I'll cut it. So you will cut it now in round shape. So after you will cut it, you will mark the edges and you will make it smooth. You will need a hot glue to attach this white cardboard or white page with the help of hot glue. Now again you will cut the edges to make the smooth look of the circle. I'll use this round cap of any container you can take to mark another circle inside this circle shape. It's about 8 centimeter. You can see the measurements of the circle. Now I have marked 4 centimeter, means half measurement of 8 centimeter circle. I'll give it a 3 portions and I'll make 3 portions. And then first I will add primary colors in this section. Later on I'll add secondary colors. So these portions are about 4 centimeters. Now we will start adding primary colors, and later on the secondary colors will be made by mixing these 3 colors. So let's take the red color and apply it in the middle section of the circle. So I involved my daughter in coloring this because it was her project, it was her activity, it was from the school. So I made her involved in it. You can see she's coloring, but I'm holding her hand because I wanted to make it neat. So first we will add red color. Later on we will add blue and yellow. These are the primary colors. So here we are adding the blue color, and then later on I will give it a fine and neat look. So you will fill this portion, the second portion. Later on we will do the yellow color. So these are the primary colors: red, yellow and blue. So after finishing this blue color, I will add yellow color in the third portion. So this is the detailed tutorial. I know we all adults know how to mix the colors and what comes after mixing the colors, and but the kids, the new generation, the Montessori kids, don't know what color comes after mixing these. So that's why I am recording this project for the little angels. So I have added 3 plus signs: red, yellow and red, blue, like this, mixing after adding which color it makes. So red and yellow makes orange. So here is the first color we get, which is orange. So let's fill the gap. I have made 3 portions in the upper layer of this circle. You can see now I'm adding orange color, which we have got by mixing red and yellow. After making 3 portions, after filling this green color by mixing red and yellow, we will mix next primary colors, which is red and blue. So let's see which color it makes. It makes purple color. So the kids should know this makes the purple color. So by mixing red and blue, we have purple color. After filling this second portion, and we will give it a neat look by adding this beautiful purple color by mixing red and blue. Let's go towards the third color mixing after finishing this purple. Now let's find out the third secondary color, which we will get by mixing yellow and blue. So let's see, let's mix yellow and blue. We will get green color. So let's add green color in this third portion. Let's fill it with green, and it's already done. So this is the final look of this project. Thank you for watching. Bye.